Most people want success, but only 1% actually achieve it. Why? Because nobody tells them these 10 brutal truths. Watch till the end. Number 7 will completely shock you. Successful people wake up before the world wakes up. While you sleep, they prepare. Time is their weapon. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages every single day. Books are the cheapest investment with the highest return. Read daily. The perfect moment never comes. Successful people act first and learn along the way. Stop waiting, start doing, right now. Your circle decides your future. One negative person can destroy 5 years of your hard work. Choose your people carefully. Every successful person has failed more times than you know. Failure is not the end, it is just the beginning. Spend money on your skills. Your brain is your biggest asset. Nobody can take away what you learn. This is the one most people fail at. Talent means nothing without consistency. Show up every single day, no excuses. Successful people say no more than they say yes. Your time is your life. Spend it only on things that matter. A dream without a plan is just a wish. Write your goals, break them into steps, then attack them daily. The day you stop learning is the day you start dying. Grow every day. Even 1% better daily changes everything.